today we are going to work on rhyming. We are going to work on the first sound in words, and we are going to blend. The first thing I would like you to do is pause this and see if you can think of words that rhyme with take. Take. So they are going to have take, ache in them. Okay, did you think of make, bake, shake, flake, rake? All of those have ache in them and they all rhyme. The next activity we are going to do, I am going to say a word and then I'll say two more words. Tell me which of these two words starts like my first word. Which word starts like over? Ozone, ever. Over, ozone, O. Which word begins like target? Siren, total. Target, total, t. Which word begins like ego? Zero, eat. Ego, eat, e. Which word begins like limit? Lesson, hidden. Limit, lesson, All right, for our last activity, I will say three sounds. Let's blend them together to make a word. What word is this? W-a-z. W-a-z. Was. What would this word be? K-o-l. K-o-l. Coal. What would this word be? Ate. Ate. Late. How about this word? Z-a-g. Z-a-g. Zag. Y-es. Y-es. Yes. K-ape. K-ape. Cape. N-ite. N-ite. Night. Last one. Tube. 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 Good work.